Hello and welcome to Driving Distilled Fleet Friday edition. That's not a thing, I just made it up. I'm not sure there will be further videos like this one, but I thought as a gesture of welcoming back my M5, I do this video. So yes, the M5 is back. I think most of you didn't even know that it was gone. I had the car's rod bearings replaced. Not because I had a suspicion or the car was not running smoothly, but I thought after 170,000 kilometers, it's about time to do it. I looked at the documents from the previous owner, and there's nothing to suggest that he did it, and I didn't do it up till now. So it's possible that this car has done 170,000 kilometers on its original rod bearings. The engine is up to temperature, the car is running nice, the car is running smoothly. Yeah, I think that went well. I'll observe it, of course, for the next few 100 kilometers. And yeah, I see you then. Thank you very much for joining, and see you soon. Well, there's a R8 V10